Your SoClean 3 consists of the following parts. Lid opens for access to the chamber. Control panel houses all the buttons and icons for operating your SoClean 3. Hose slot. Your sleep equipment hose rests here during the maintenance cycle. Lid latch keeps the lid of the SoClean 3 closed securely during the maintenance cycle and fresh air cycle. Lid gasket seals the lid in order to contain ozone within the chamber. Hose detect sensor. Your SoClean 3 operates with proper configuration. A maintenance cycle or a fresh air cycle will not begin unless a sleep equipment hose is detected and the lid is closed. Chamber. Place your sleep equipment mask inside for maintenance when running a maintenance cycle. The inside of the chamber is illuminated for visibility in low light settings. On the back of your SoClean 3, you will find the filter door. Your filter goes in here. The SoClean 3 unit will not operate a maintenance cycle or fresh air cycle if the filter door is open. Filter. The filter converts ozone in your SoClean 3 and sleep equipment accessories into fresh oxygen as it exhausts from the unit. The filter must be replaced every 6 months, or the unit will not run. Your SoClean 3 will remind you when it is time to replace the filter. Power input. The cable from the power supply provided with your SoClean 3 plugs in here. Phone charging port. A USB port is provided to conveniently charge your cell phone when your SoClean 3 is connected to power. Ozone tube. One end of the ozone tube connects to your sleep equipment adapter, and the other end comes already attached to the back of the SoClean 3. This tube is what circulates ozone or air through your sleep equipment accessories during the maintenance cycle and fresh air cycle. On the control panel, you will find the following buttons. Maintenance cycle button. Starts the maintenance process with a single push. Your sleep equipment mask and hose must be present in the SoClean 3 with the lid closed to operate the maintenance cycle. Cycle delay button. Used to set a 2, 4, or 8-hour delay to the start of your maintenance cycle if preferred. Press once for 2 hours, twice for 4 hours, 3 times for 8 hours, and 4 times to turn the delay feature off. The system automatically defaults to the cycle delay that was last run. If the cycle delay was not used, the system will default to a 2-hour delay. Fresh air cycle button. Runs air through the system to freshen your equipment with the push of a button. The fresh air cycle does not maintain your sleep equipment accessories. Your sleep equipment mask and hose must be present in the SoClean 3 with the lid closed to operate the fresh air cycle. Lid open button. Opens the lid when the device is connected to power. This button can also be used to cancel an active maintenance cycle by pressing and holding for 5 seconds. If canceling a cycle, lid cannot be opened until cycle complete icon illuminates. There are 7 illuminated icons on the control panel that the SoClean 3 uses to communicate with you. Normally, the icons are off if the device is idle and operating normally. Cycle complete. Solid green indicates that either a maintenance cycle or fresh air cycle is complete and that the lid can be opened. This icon will be illuminated continuously after the cycle completes until you open the lid to remove your sleep equipment accessories. After you open the lid, the light will turn off. Fault, unable to run. Solid red indicates that your SoClean 3 has detected an issue that prevents it from operating a maintenance cycle or fresh air cycle. When this icon is illuminated, the device may be operating the cancellation process to remove ozone from the system prior to allowing the lid to be opened. Filter issue. Flashing amber indicates that it is time to order a new filter. This icon will flash amber only when you interact with your SoClean 3. From the time it begins to flash amber, you have 30 days or 30 uses, whichever comes first, to replace the filter. You can still use your SoClean 3 to maintain your sleep equipment accessories during this time. Solid amber may indicate that your filter has expired and will need to be replaced. You will not be able to operate a maintenance cycle or a fresh air cycle. Solid amber may also indicate a missing or counterfeit filter. If you have installed a new filter in your SoClean 3 and this icon illuminates solid amber when the filter door is closed, You may have purchased a counterfeit SoClean 3 filter, and your SoClean will not operate. You cannot operate a maintenance cycle or a fresh air cycle unless your SoClean 3 recognizes that a genuine SoClean 3 filter is installed and the filter door is closed. If you are unable to clear this icon by installing a new filter and closing the filter door, please contact SoClean Customer Care. Filter door issue. Solid amber indicates that the filter door is not completely closed. Check your filter door and open and close it securely. Hose not detected. Solid amber indicates that your sleep equipment hose is not present or detected when the lid is closed. Your SoClean 3 will not operate a maintenance cycle or fresh air cycle if your mask and hose are not installed or detected in the unit with the lid closed. Flashing amber indicates an error detecting the hose. Open and close the lid with mask and hose installed to continue. 2, 4, and 8-hour cycle delay. Flashing blue indicates that the cycle delay can be changed by pressing the cycle delay button. Your mask and hose must be installed with the lid closed to modify and activate the cycle delay. Solid blue indicates if a cycle has been programmed. One light indicates that a 2-hour delay has been selected. This is the default setting. 2 lights indicate that a 4-hour delay has been selected. 3 lights indicates that an 8-hour delay has been selected. No lights indicates that no cycle start delay has been selected. Cycle progress bar. The cycle progress bar gradually turns blue from left to right, indicating the progress of a maintenance cycle or fresh air cycle. When the entire bar is illuminated blue, the cycle is nearly complete. Flashing blue indicates that a cancellation is in progress. Solid red indicates that an active maintenance cycle has been interrupted. For example, a temporary loss of power. During this time, your SoClean 3 is pumping air through the system to remove ozone.